Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make one pot flavorful jambalaya rice recipe. So I have all the ingredients already prepped. Here I have tomato and pepper mix, chicken fillet thigh, celery, sausage, shrimp, already blended ginger, garlic and scallion. Tomato puree, onion diced, chicken stock, rice and spices. I would make a seasoning mix by combining dried parsley, cumin, mixed spices, curry powder, paprika, oregano, nutmeg, chili powder, thyme, garlic and herb seasoning, peri-peri, cayenne pepper. And this is going to be the mixed spices I will use in making this recipe. To marinate the chicken, I will add 2 teaspoons of the spices mix, some garlic and herb seasoning, rainbow peppercorn, chicken seasoning, and some salt. Mix all together, then set it aside. So I'm going to repeat this same process for a shrimp also. Get it also mixed up, then set it aside just like the chicken. I'll bring a pan on fire, allow it to heat up, then begin to fry the sausage. So I'm going to do this for like 2 to 3 minutes till it's golden brown. I'll take it out of the oil when it's golden brown. Then I will also do same for the chicken. So I'm going to stir fry the chicken just the same way as the sausage. I'll get this done till it's soft and slightly brown before I will take it out of the oil as well. I will also do same for the shrimp. I will stir fry till it's properly cooked. I will now go in with the onion, add some oil, then start stir frying for a minute, then go in with the roughly blended ginger, garlic and scallion. I will also stir fry this for a minute or two before I will add in my tomato and pepper mix. I'll add in the tomato puree, then stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll go in with a teaspoon and a half of the spices mix, add some seasoning cube, 1 teaspoon of salt, then mix everything together. Just stir fry for a minute. Then I'll go in with the chopped celery, add some bell pepper mix. So I have red, yellow and green bell pepper. Stir fry for 10 to 20 seconds. Then now I will add in the washed rice. So I'm using 1.5 cup of basmati rice. I will add some stock. This is chicken stock. Give it a quick stir. Add some water, salt, another quick stir. Add in some bay leaves. Cover the rice to cook under a medium heat for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I will now go in with the protein. So I will add in the chicken, the sausage, the shrimp, then I'll add the rest of the bell pepper. Then give it a good mix. I'll then cover this to just cook under a very low heat for just a minute or two before serving. At this point, the 1-pot meal of jambalaya rice dish is all ready. I will just garnish it with some chopped spring onion. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you will love to give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or comment if you try this recipe out. Till I come your way again, it's bye.